So Seminole Futures is a premier event that the Florida State University Career Center puts on biannually. It is an opportunity for employers to connect and engage with our students, to offer them internships, full-time opportunities, and just a great opportunity for them to network.
Actually, I've been going to the Seminole Futures since my freshman year, and that's where I learn about different companies, different opportunities to actually get started to take the initiative, our own careers and path. It's not just that the Career Center hosts this event, it prepares you completely weeks in advance